If you want to create custom shapes and icons in PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a super simple method to combine basic shapes, cut shapes apart, and turn ordinary elements into clean custom icons and designs. This is a great trick for making your presentations look more professional, more unique, and much more visually polished without needing any extra software. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks. Alright, let's jump in. First, open PowerPoint and go to the Insert tab at the top. From there, click Shapes. This will open the full library of available shapes, including circles, rectangles, arrows, lines, and many more. Now choose the shapes you want to use for your custom design. For example, you can start with two or more simple shapes like a circle and a rectangle, or two circles, or any combination that fits the icon or object you want to build. Once you've selected your first shape, click and drag on the slide to draw it. Then repeat the same process to draw your second shape and any additional shapes you want to include. The key here is to position the shapes so they overlap in the areas where you want PowerPoint to merge or cut them. After your shapes are placed, the next step is to select all of them. You can do this by holding Ctrl and clicking each shape one by one. Make sure every shape you want included in the final design is selected, because the Merge Shapes tools only work when multiple shapes are active at the same time. Once all the shapes are selected, go up to the Shape Format tab. If you don't see it right away, it usually appears when one or more shapes are selected. In the Shape Format menu, look for the Merge Shapes option. This is the feature that lets you transform basic shapes into custom designs. Click Merge Shapes and you'll see a few useful options. If you want all the selected shapes to become one single shape, choose Union. This combines everything together into one unified custom shape. If you want to remove part of one shape using another overlapping shape, choose Subtract. This is great for creating cutouts, holes, or more advanced icon-style graphics. And if you only want the overlapping area between the shapes to remain, choose Intersect. That's perfect when you want to isolate just the shared section of two or more shapes. As soon as you pick one of these options, PowerPoint will instantly create your new custom shape. This is where the magic happens, because a few simple shapes can suddenly become a logo-style icon, a creative graphic, or a clean presentation element that looks like it was professionally designed. You can also use this technique to build arrows, symbols, speech bubbles, abstract shapes, and custom dashboard-style visuals. Once your new shape is created, you can still format it just like any other shape. You can change the fill color, adjust the outline, resize it, rotate it, or copy and paste it across your slide deck. This gives you a lot of flexibility to match your brand colors or presentation theme. A quick tip here. If your shapes are not merging the way you expect, double check that they are overlapping correctly and that you selected every shape before clicking Merge Shapes. That small step makes a huge difference. And that's it. You've now learned how to create custom shapes and icons in PowerPoint using the Merge Shapes tools. It's fast, easy, and extremely useful for making your slides stand out. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more PowerPoint tutorials just like this one.